Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 18 here with some more Diecast unboxing. We are going to do from another car from the 2019 Wave 6. It is Martin Truex Jr.'s number 19 Bass Pro / Cabela's race car. Here's the back. Let's get Martin Truex Jr. out of his box. So in this car, he is number 19 because Furniture Row Racing shut down in 2018. So 2018 was their last year, so Truex had to move to Joe Gibbs Racing, replacing Daniel Suarez. So here's the car and the magnet. So on the magnet, it has Bass Pro Shops number 19 and Martin Truex Jr. Let's take a look at the car. Martin Truex Jr. has the number 19. It has Tracker Boat, ATVs, boats. It has Cabela's right here. It has Bass Pro and it says BassPro.com. So this car does look like his 2018 car, but the major difference is that it has the number 78 on the 2018, while this one has the 19. And also take a look. This orange is a little duller, but this one is more brighter, I think. And they're both Toyota Camrys, but they both look pretty good. Not only that, it does have Cabela's on here. This one says Tracker Boat, and it doesn't have the Bass Pro logo on the side. Let's take a look at the 360 view of the number 19 car. And that's about it. Well, guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more will be out soon. Thanks for watching.